hour or two in the bar. Like a tune. One time I love you. Two times I love you. Three times, four times, five times I love you. Twice a week I take a peek as you play like a raptor. Catch your eye and nothing to tell. It's a Sony projector. One times I love you. Two times
Okay, let's try that ending one more time before the paying customers come in.
I love you.
Wait. Okay, so should we keep that one in the set, you guys, or is it shit? Oh.
Shiltsy, is there anything you'd like, or is it best that we crack up the Q&A?
If you're happy, I'm happy. It's great.